Okay, we've literally we've arrived back in Tokyo. We spent yesterday hanging around to Kyoto station. We went to see a film. We went to see Once Upon a Time in Hollywood, and then we waited till 11 o'clock to catch the Willer Express overnight bus. So we slept on a bus that got in at 7:30 this morning, and then we came to like the reception of this hotel where we've been sat till 2:30, and they just came to collect us, which was really nice actually, and they said that they brought our bags up to the room, and I just thought we'll do a room tour before we mess everything up. So we're just like blown away. I just think it's a great room. We haven't even looked in here.
What's in it? Oh.
Okay, things, shelf, washing machine, got to use that pretty soon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Today.
Sink. Oh.
Kitchen.
Microwave?
Yeah.
Good, we need a microwave. That might be some kind of hob.
Yeah. What's in there? Oh, some bits.
Oh, we got saucepans this time.
Mhm.
Wow. Oops. Oh, what's that? I've just turned something on. It's probably, is that the heated toilet seat? Okay, so we've got a bathroom. Nice it is.
Is that your... We got a bathroom.
That's it.
Yeah.
And then this was the bit that we couldn't believe. We've got a view. We haven't had a view at all, have we?
No, not really.
This is the room. Double bed, sofa. It's mad. Look at this. We've got a view of Tokyo. Thanks to everyone who's been watching the Japan series. We're back in Tokyo. We're going to go to the Ghibli Museum in a couple of days, and we won't be allowed to film like inside the museum, but we'll probably film some stuff around that. Just uploaded one where we went to an island. Hope you enjoy that. Thanks a lot.
ありがとうございます。